Yeah, can you tell me a little bit about these sort of high risk privileges? What are the risks involved here? You know, when you have all this extra, you know, these privileges, give me kind of a worst case scenario. You have all these extra privileges, and therefore what's a thing that could happen to your network and your company?
Yeah. I mean, high risk privileges are the privileges that have the capability to cause severe disruption or data leakage.
Mm-hmm.
Let's say, for example, somebody has the ability to destroy all the compute instances.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. They needed to destroy, let's say, compute instance 8. In their scripting, we're scripting compute instance 8, but 8 and star on a keyboard or on the key separated by a shift.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Accidentally, instead of 8, they inputted star, which is wildcard for everything.
Right. Okay.
When they run it, everything is gone. Or if a bad actor gets in, this we have seen in the companies many times, they intentionally, okay, you know what, I want to wipe out the data here. I'm going to fill in. Like a couple of months ago, there was a company called VF Email. A bad actor formatted the disks of all their production instances, destroying 18 years worth of their customers' emails.
Wow.
And the guy never needed that kind of privilege. That privilege was required only for troubleshooting for a DR and backup type of system. And this guy never needed it, never used it in his entire life. That was the first time. And with the kind of power, he was able to do that kind of stuff. So those are the examples. I mean, there are so many other examples where I've seen a CISO, he was telling me that an engineer, a contractor engineer, took a snapshot of a compute instance with very sensitive data and shared it with an offshore contractor for some performance testing.
Wow.
Soon it ended up in the public domain. And the CISO did not know about this because nobody copied any files. They copied an entire computer disk. No DLP system was able to.
Wow.
And that was merely meant for backup systems. Backup systems are the ones they carry backup and store it in, not meant for an engineer.
Not useful.
Yeah, not useful for, and because they were using static RBAC, he was an admin, he got everything, including that. So those are the kind of dangers.